Chasing glass skin with harsh chemical peels is the fastest way to completely destroy your skin barrier. You'll know your barrier is stripped if your skin is constantly red, flaky, or tight, even after moisturizing. If your everyday skincare suddenly stings or burns, your protective shield is officially broken. This usually happens from over-exfoliation, product overload due to FOMO, or using harsh acne treatments like salicylic acid and retinoids incorrectly. To protect your barrier and keep it from breaking in the first place, follow these 4 rules. The less is more rule. Stick to a simple core routine. Never layer multiple harsh actives at the same time. The sandwich method. When applying drying acne treatments or retinoids, put a layer of moisturizer down first, let it dry, apply the active, and then add another layer of moisturizer over it. Ditch the foam. Switch to a non-foaming, hydrating cream cleanser daily so you don't strip your skin's natural lipids. Listen to the early signs. If your face feels slightly pink or tight in the morning, pause your actives for a couple of days and focus purely on hydration. If your barrier is already damaged, you need to hit the emergency brake. Think of your skin like an open wound. Stop using all retinoids, vitamin C, and chemical exfoliants like glycolic or salicylic acid immediately. We want zero irritation so your skin can heal. Instead, look for soothing ingredients like ceramides, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, bisabolol, and panthenol. Here is your minimalist recovery routine. In the morning, cleanse. Use a gentle, non-foaming wash like Cetaphil, Cerav Hydrating, or Episoft. Hydrate. Apply a calming essence like Cosrx Snail Mucin or a soothing niacinamide serum from The Ordinary or Minimalist. Moisturize. Coat your skin in a thick ceramide-rich cream from brands like Riequal, Dot & Key, or Minimalist. Protect. Finish with a pure physical zinc oxide sunscreen like La Shield Physical or the Derma Co Pure Zinc, because chemical filters will sting irritated skin. At night, keep it dead simple. Wash with your gentle cleanser and apply your thick moisturizer. That's it. Let your skin rest and rebuild overnight. Once your skin is completely healed, ease back into exfoliation safely. Oily skin types should limit peels to once a week, dry skin only once a month, and if you have sensitive skin, skip chemical peels entirely. Treat your skin like the protective organ it is. For more daily skincare advice, subscribe to my channel. See you next time.